World Housing Solution provides efficient insulated rigid wall structures, alternative energy and black to potable water and sewer solutions. Their structures are environmentally friendly, modular, sustainable, and redeployable. Let's find out more about this business.
World Housing Solution was started a little bit over 6 years ago, and originally our mission was to try to solve the humanitarian refugee problems by developing composite shelters. Along the way, the military found out what we were doing, and they asked us to come and develop prototypes for them, which then turned into contracts with the military, where we've now been delivering expeditionary solutions for them as well. This is the laundry room. There will be 10 of these washer and dryers, and in the middle they'll have a large folding table where they can take their uniforms and everything else and get it ready. As you can imagine, in a sub-Saharan Africa environment, it's getting hot, it's very dusty, and so this is an absolute crucial part of what we deliver them to give them a much better living environment. If you think about it, military has not changed in more than 2,000 years or longer. When armies go to war, they take a cloth and a stick, a tent really, to go ahead and house their soldiers in all kinds of different ways. So housing, offices, latrines, bathrooms, kitchens, eating facilities. It has not changed. That's what they used to do in the Roman Empire days, and that's what the US military does today. We are the evolution of expeditionary solutions. So instead of sending out tents, we're sending out buildings that can be deployed, built very rapidly by manpower, no special tools, no special knowledge. Think a little bit IKEA meets construction. And then when they're done, they can take the building apart and move it again 5 miles or 5,000 miles and reuse it again and again and again. The biggest advantage as well is the fact that because those are insulated structures, the camps for the military need a lot less energy to air condition or heat them while they're out in deployment. So it provides a much safer and more comfortable environment for the soldier, and a more comfortable soldier is a better fighting soldier. One of the challenges when you go on deployment is how quickly you can build something and how quickly you can tear it apart. The biggest advantage that we have from that standpoint is that we do not need site improvement. So think about it. You cannot build a tent if the land is sideways and there's a lot of dirt around it, and you need to flatten it out. That's one of the challenges. We don't need that because we have a proprietary system that allows us to level out the building, thereby eliminating the need for site improvement and speeding up the time to deployment. In this particular case, this latrine will serve 250 to 300 men and women in Africa, in sub-Saharan Africa, and can be set up in about 72 hours. Simple tools, very quick assembly. We have found people here that are really going above and beyond to help us succeed. And that's really the key for any small business, is finding an environment that is nurturing, that is helpful, and that is willing to go above and beyond to help us make it something that is not only good for us, obviously, but also it's a ripple effect for the economy, and ultimately does something that is really wonderful, which is serve our troops. And that's something we're very proud of. We're very, very optimistic on both the growth, the need for more space, the need to hire more people, because this is a made in America for Americans, manufacturing, and from that standpoint, we're really, really thrilled.
For more information on World Housing Solution, please visit worldhousingsolution.com. And for more information on economic development, please visit businessinseminole.com.